Hello everyone, Hoda is here. Today I'm going to go over the basics of V-Ray for SketchUp and review some of the settings. If you install V-Ray for SketchUp, it's going to show up under Extensions, V-Ray, different tabs are here. Also, if we go to Help, License Server, you can take care of the licensing over this option. Also under Window Extension Manager, you can enable and disable different tabs such as V-Ray, Twinmotion, Sandbox Tool, etc. So if you have installed some of the extensions but you cannot see them, maybe you can check the Extension Manager. If you install V-Ray correctly, you should be able to see V-Ray for SketchUp, which is that menu over there. V-Ray for lights, V-Ray lights, which is that menu, V-Ray objects, which is this one, and so on. Let's start with the first one with the asset editor and go over the difference between render and render interactive. So under asset editor, all the settings are basically here. You can change the material by clicking on the first tab. The second tab takes care of the lights. This one is for settings, and this option here allows you to switch between render and render interactive. Now if I click the render box here, you can switch to interactive render by clicking on this option. I'm not going to do that because it's going to take more memory, but if you want the render to be updated with your changes, if you rotate the scene, you want the render to be updated accordingly and so on, you can use interactive render. Okay, and a very good option here is this region render. If I click here and draw a region, I can check the render only in that region, and if it's okay, I can continue with the rest. This is gonna save you a lot of time. So in this file, all the material is already assigned in SketchUp itself. The good thing is that V-Ray material and SketchUp material work very well with together. You can go to the materials tab here, and if you click on this arrow, you can go to materials. These are all the materials available under the V-Ray library. We also talked about how to create materials from scratch in V-Ray. If you like a material, you can add it to the scene by right-clicking here or dragging and dropping it here. If you have too many materials and you are not sure which one is being used in the scene, you can go to details and page unused. Okay, and you can switch easily between V-Ray materials and SketchUp materials. All of them are going to show up here. Okay, that's it for this one. In the next video, I'm going to talk more about V-Ray lights.